Hey Nirav, hi, welcome to HEX Star interview. And I'm so happy, personally, so excited to see you here. I remember the point, Nirav, when you enrolled into the program, and that was the time when we were talking about this interview to happen once you graduate. And I think the time has come actually. This has come in real. 10 weeks are done, and you are here on HEX Star. Tell me, how's been your program experience?
Thank you so much, Vineet. The program experience overall has been fantastic. You probably would have remembered our first call when I was a bit jittery about the entire program because while there have been many things I've tried in the past, there are few problems which have been lying around with me for years, like my thyroid, like my weight, blood pressure, and all. So when I wanted to join the program, these were some of the goals I wanted to achieve, and then years of experience of trying different program actually made me think more about joining this. But after joining the program, the experience been fantastic. I have achieved what I wanted to achieve, and it's all because of some fantastic support that you have provided, and especially the way the program is structured is also a thing which helps people achieve their goal. You're not doing it rigorously from day one. You're slowly, steadily moving into the next phase every week and learning about so many things that you probably wouldn't know in your entire life. Is what really helped me. So the experience has been great. The support that you've received, you provided me has been great. My pals, my FB group conversations with people, everything was fantastic. Really loved
Oh,
it.
that's awesome. That's awesome to hear from you, Nirav. And then when you say that you have certain goals to achieve, which you have achieved in this goal, I'm very curious if you could share what, why did you join this program? What were those goals? And what have been your top three results?
So frankly, when I joined the program because I had issues which are typically associated with people my age, right? Means I was overweight, I had blood pressure issue, I had thyroid for many years, my cholesterol was going up and down. So these were all issues associated with many youngsters these days, right? But then I'm just 34, and then you suddenly realize when you start popping those pills every day, and then once in a quarter you get that large expense from medication, whether it is a visit to the hospital or something. You want to get all of these away, right? You want to get done with it, and that is one of the reasons I joined the program because yeah, I had tried so many things in the past. I had gone to gym, but people only go to gym once in a blue. They don't do that rigorously. If you're not done it before, you don't do it rigorously. And I've tried those keto diets and everything. Nothing worked. So I said, why not give it one more shot, right? And I think that one last shot was the most beneficial shot of my life. And the program has been giving me fantastic results. I have lost almost 11 kgs during the program. My thyroid's well under control now. In fact, I had to reduce my pills power because the thyroid is below normal. My cholesterol is almost touching double digit. I don't even remember when it was last in double digit. And everything's good. I feel full of energy. I feel full of commitment towards this program, and I'm just loving my body. That's it.
Yes, as you rightly said, one of the thing which happens, firstly, your results are awesome, significant. You've lost almost 11 kg, and there has been a reduction in terms of the BP and the cholesterol and thyroid. What actually happens for most of the people when they lose weight, they also lose their energy, right? So,
Yes.
can you share with us what has been your energy vitality score in the beginning? Because we have a process to measure that. And what was your goal and where it has jumped now?
So when I started the program, the energy vitality score was a pretty 1.75 out of 10. My goal was to at least put it above 5 by the end of the program. And last I checked yesterday, it was 7.75.
Wow. So I think that's almost like 600% jump in terms of how
Yes.
energetic you feel on a day-to-day life. And also, I am curious to know about the whole this food cravings that we have, right? Most of us have this sugar craving, junk food cravings. Has there been an impact in your normal day-to-day cravings for the non-functional food?
So when I started the program, I had these cravings where I would probably eat once from outside every week. I would order some bread stuff, I didn't realize that everything I eat from outside has sugar in some or the other form. So yes, there was a lot of craving when I started the program. By the time we went through the program and we came to an end, for me the biggest prize, if you ask me what is the biggest prize for you in terms of a food item, I would say it's that humble ball of dal that people ignore, right? I don't have any cravings of eating from outside now. I don't even feel like having those breads and eggs or anything like that. And it's totally under control. And I also have this habit which is formed that anything I buy, I kind of read the nutrients before consuming it. So
Wow. So you are saying that the whole level of mindfulness and observing what is that which is going inside you, that has actually come. That kind of awareness,
yes.
that kind of mindfulness has actually come. Uh, you have shared that you have tried many things in the past. How has been this program different in terms of the experience? You said that you've tried, you will go to gym and then you've tried some keto diet. What is the difference in this program?
I think the program, the main difference in the program is the program allows you to do your day-to-day activity without being worried about doing something in particular, right? When you go to gym, you still have to be worried about that 1 hour in the day that you have to pick out from your daily schedule to go to the gym. And if someone is working like in the IT sector like me, there are no hours of work, right? You work throughout the day, and you have to be flexible in your timing schedules and all, right? So going to the gym then became difficult. You didn't find it motivating to go every day. I've also tried keto diets in the past, and they don't help you because after a point you get bored eating those paneer and eggs every day, right? A veg guy can only eat that much. These are all things that we try from our side, right? There's no one who's pushing us. There's no one who's motivating us. You just realize that you want to do something and try and achieve results out of that, which doesn't help. Motivation and willpower is all something that comes once in a while, and then it goes as quickly as it comes in, right? You need to have this habit which has to be formed over time, that good habits which help you reduce all of your symptoms, and then you start loving what you do, right? You need someone who's motivating you daily, if not daily, but at least once in a while, right? So the biggest difference in the program was you, Vinith. I think you personally invest so much of time in each one of us. You understand our issues, you understand our problems. Those weekly support calls that I have with all my pals, where we share our success stories, and you keep on getting motivated by each other's success at the end of the day, right? At the top of the mind, although we are like one big family at the end of the day, but you still have that challenge thing rotating, that yes, he's lost 5 kilos, I have to do more than that. So that motivation is something which is the best thing about the program. Those one-to-one calls that we've had, those various techniques that you've taught us, especially the EFT one. I never heard about it. That controlling your emotions can actually give you freedom from a lot of things in your life. That's what it's called, right? Emotional freedom techniques. So all of these have actually been the best part of the program, and it's something which I've never come across any other program in the past.
Sure, and as you rightly said about the habit formation system, so many of minute system and processes that we have in this program. What's your favorite one? Which one did you like the most? So if you have to pick up between the PAL call, the calendar system that we have, or even the goodie box, or even EFT, which system you find more helpful?
All of them are wonders in their own right. They all do wonders in their own little way. These are all things which are not part of any other program, I must say. I have personally never come across these things, whether It's your pal who you talk to every week like a friend, share your happiness, share your progress, whether it's that dopamine kick that you get from the goodie box. Every time you do something good, you put it in a chip, put it in a box so that you can start reading it in the future, right? When things get challenging, you read about it. Every day we start our day with, most of us start our day with a read of the newspaper. But for me, it was like the tick in the box, the tick in the calendar, where you say, yes, I'm one more day closer towards achieving my goals. So all of them worked wonders in their own little way.
Great to hear that, Nirav. And then you've come a long way. You're a graduate now. What next? What is your next goal? Have you thought?
The journey is only started yet. Yes, I wanted to achieve 8 to 10 kilos of weight loss when I started the program, but then that was the weight loss which would have brought me closer to the overweight category. It's from a high obese level, I came to an overweight category, but then I'm still overweight, right? So this journey has to continue. I want to get into that green bar so that every time I go and check my BMI, it's there in the green. That's my target. So the next phase will be in those short kicks. I probably wouldn't expect to achieve so much in the next months like I did now, but I'll continue doing those short weight loss over the next few months. Get to a phase where everyone is like happy, astonished, like I am.
Yes, and how's been the reaction of your close one and family members or friends or colleagues who've not seen you in the last 2 months and they see you now? How's been that experience?
I think the surprise is still building, right? We were lucky. I could say that we were lucky enough to get this program when there was complete lockdown because of COVID. So all of my achievements have been surprise for everyone. But yes, when I tell my family about my weight, they're very happy. They probably ask me how have you achieved it, and I tell them the secret recipe in some or the other way. But yes, it's been fantastic. Everyone loves it, and I'm still excited to start going to office because I want to start. I want to show this to my colleagues for whom I've not met for months now. So it's a surprise for them. It still will be there for another week. I'm excited about it. That yes, when I go to the office and they start looking the new 2.0 version of me.
Right. That's so awesome to hear, Neeram. Lastly, on a scale of 1 to 10, wherein 10 is the highest, how much you would rate this program?
We always want to do more than 10, right? Is there an 100 that I can give? But yes, full 10. The program deserves that rating because it really helps you. And I am not saying it for the sake of saying, because I have seen the results myself. I have seen the fantastic results for all of my batchmates. Not a single person who didn't achieve his goal. Everyone's overachieved. And we've all overachieved in the easiest possible way. It's nothing was difficult during the entire program. Everything was smooth. Everything was easy. So yes, 10 out of 10 for the program. 10 out of 10 for you, Vineet, for being such a good, caring teacher. 10 out of 10 for the support that everyone's provided, especially Deepthi and my fellow colleagues. And it really works. It really works on your mind. You start loving it after what you achieve at the end of the program, and you want to continue that. And I want to personally continue this whole reduction of weight. It excites me now.
Sure, Neerav, this is awesome and great to hear from you. Absolutely mind-blowing, fantastic achievement. One last question. For any student who is seeing it first time, and he or she is still skeptical whether this program will work or whether this program will give the required ROI in terms of the results, what's your advice or what's your message?
The ROI is 100% ROI on what you invest in this program because when you start seeing the results, you totally feel that the investment is justified. And for any new student who comes in, the major difference in this program compared to others is you don't get someone who's personally invested in you like in this program, like you're investing time in us. We need in the other ones. They don't care about your wellness in the way like you do. The other programs are not step-by-step programs. They all are rigorous ones where you start doing it from day one, whether it is dieting, whether it is gymming, or this has been a step-by-step process. It helps us at the end of the day because you're not eliminating things from day one. So the step-by-step nature of the entire program, and the biggest thing is my willpower is not challenged now. My motivation is not challenged. It's something which is part of my habit now. I'm motivated as an habit to get this program results achieved, get further weight loss. So I think that's the biggest thing, and you'll not find this in any other program. I can say that. So yes, any new student who comes in, he'll get his returns totally justified, and these are long-term effects, right? We all happily spend thousands of rupees in a year on our medical expenses without thinking about the long-term effects of it, right? These expenses at a young age, although they look minimal, you compare it at an older age, they are very high, right? So a small amount that helps you build an happy body for you. That's the best part.
Nirav, you have been a serious student. You have taken action, you've got the results, and you are a role model. You're going to inspire so many lives around you. And I'm so happy that you are part of the community. More power to you, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Vineet. I'm myself happy that I decided to join this program on April 6th. I will not forget that day ever because that's my second birthday going forward, right? April 6th. The new Nirav was. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you, Nirav. Thank you.